We back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I wanted to bring y'all an update on the Spotify method as of February 6, 2023. All orders placed on my website have been fulfilled. Today on my channel, I want to go into a sales report I just received, right, for 52,000 streams. So how much Spotify paid me for 52,000 streams? And in order to figure this out, right, you see my sales report. This is from November. This is what I did on this account. I only did 52,000 streams this month on this account, and I made $216. So in order to figure out how much Spotify pays per stream, right, we just take the amount of money we earned, which is $216, then we divide that by the number of streams. 52,000, just about 53,000. And you can currently see right now Spotify is paying out 0.004 per stream per million. It'll be $4,000. That's how much Spotify is currently paying out. So that was my video for today. I just wanted to make a quick update for February on the Spotify method. Once again, all orders have been fulfilled. If you have any questions about your order, please send me an email at info@yonworld.org. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.